Welcome back to all learners in another productive session related to the virtualization industry. We have done with phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, and after completion of 3 phases, we also explore comparative study program related to the certification, and we explore number of ideas related to the Microsoft Hyper-V. Now it's time to move with the virtual networking concepts and deployment scenarios, which is our phase 4. So let's move and explore ideas related to the virtual networking. Here we go. Now if we talk about the physical infrastructure, you know that for the purpose of connectivity we need physical switches. With the help of these switches, we interconnect our physical servers for the purpose of resource sharing, for the purpose of connectivity and communication. So in the same manner, when we talk about virtualization industry, we have a number of virtual machines. Here you can see that we have 3 virtual machines on all 3 hosts. So when we create all these virtual machines, you know that these all virtual machines need to connect with each other for the purpose of connectivity, as we do in the physical infrastructure or traditional networking. So when we talk about the networking options in the virtualization industry, so here we have virtual switches like virtual hard drives and virtual machines. So let's explore ideas behind virtual switches. So here, for the purpose of virtual machines interconnectivity, virtual switches available, and these switches are used for the purpose of communication, connectivity and resource sharing. And we also perform number of tasks related to the connectivity like administration, like provision and monitoring. So you can perform same tasks in the virtualization industry when we are working on the virtual switches. So when we installed ESXI 6.7, a virtual switch is automatically created by default, and this virtual switch is known as V switch 0. This switch is created by default, and after that you can customize number of options. You can create other switches to interconnect all these virtual machines. So let's explore this V switch option related to the virtualization industry.